Morning to everyone. I am Kamini Sahu, faculty of PG College of Nursing from Childhood Nursing Department. Today I will demonstrate the procedure on ORS therapy.
What is ORS? An oral rehydration solution is a mixture of electrolyte, sugar and water taken by mouth to absorb water and electrolyte into the body and properly restore the electrolyte and fluid balance lost by excessive sweating, vomiting or diarrhea. Here you can see the indications and contraindication of ORS therapy. Indications: first, vomiting; second, diarrhea; third, dehydration. In these cases, fluid and electrolyte losses from the body, so we can administer ORS. Contraindications: if any known hypersensitivity with electrolyte present in ORS. Second, use cautiously in renal failure. Here is the comparison of old and new ORS. Osmolarity is known as the concentration of salt present in ORS. New ORS has less osmolarity as compared to old ORS. Advantages of new ORS. It reduces stool output or stool volume by about 25% when compared to the original WHO UNICEF ORS solution. Second, it reduces vomiting by almost 30%. The composition of ORS, in which sodium chloride 3.5 gram, glucose 20 gram, potassium chloride 2.5 gram, sodium bicarbonate 2.5 gram. This is the standard osmolarity of ORS given by WHO, in which sodium 90 millimole, chloride 80 millimole, glucose 110 millimole, potassium 20 millimole, citrate 10 millimole. Total osmolarity of ORS is 310 millimole. Here is the reduced osmolarity of ORS, in which sodium chloride 2.6 gram, glucose 13.5 gram, potassium chloride 1.5 gram, trisodium citrate 2.9 gram. Osmolarity of this new ORS is sodium 75 millimole, chloride 65 millimole, glucose 75 millimole, potassium 20 millimole, citrate 10 millimole, total 245 millimole.
Articles required for ORS therapy. A tray containing measuring jug. It contains 1000 ml of water, that is 1 liter of water. Sugar, salt. Glass. This glass contains 200 ml of water. Lemon, ORS packet, teaspoon, face towel to wipe the mouth, and 1 liter of boiled cool water. This is ORS packet. Back side of this packet there is direction for use. Firstly, we have to boil water, let it cool, and add entire content of the sachet in 1 liter of water and stir. Here is the composition in gram and concentration in millimole, as I explained before in this slide. Here is the dosage of this solution. Infant and children, we have to administer 1 to 2 liter, that is 5 to 10 glasses over a period of 24 hours. For adult, 2 to 4 liter, that is 10 to 20 glasses over a period of 24 hours. Wash your hand with soap and water before preparing the solution. Now hand washing. Hand washing done. For homemade preparation, we have to take measuring glass. This glass contains 200 ml of water. For homemade preparation, this glass contains 200 ml of water. We have to add 5 glasses of water. Add 6 of sugar. Of sugar. of sugar. Add half teaspoon of salt. We can add lemon for flavor. Mix properly so that all the content dissolve.
Solution made with this ORS packet and homemade preparation can be only used for 24 hours.